OpenAI has recently announced the development of its latest AI model, GPT-5, a significant leap beyond its predecessor, GPT-4o. With mind-blowing improvements in accuracy, reasoning, and creative capabilities, GPT-5 is poised to redefine what artificial intelligence AI can achieve. But with AI already capable of producing remarkable feats in various industries, how much more powerful can it truly get? Let's explore the potential features and advancements GPT-5 brings to the table. Human-like AI assistance. GPT-5 will significantly enhance AI's human-like communication abilities, improving language comprehension and generation. It will understand context, nuances, and emotional cues more precisely, allowing it to adjust tone, emotion, and style based on the conversation. Whether a user is happy, sad, or frustrated, GPT-5 will adapt, creating more empathetic and personalized interactions. This advancement will transform how users engage with virtual assistants, making them feel more like real-life collaborators. Sophisticated search engines. GPT-5 is set to revolutionize search engines by enhancing their intuitiveness, precision, and efficiency. It will better understand users' search intent, providing more accurate and relevant results. For example, if users search for a product or concept, GPT-5 will deliver tailored content. Additionally, GPT-5's ability to recall and apply previous interactions will offer a more personalized search experience. If a user has previously searched for flights, the engine might suggest hotels or attractions based on those inquiries, helping users find what they need more quickly and easily. Advanced human-like reasoning. GPT-5's most exciting advancement is its enhanced human-like reasoning. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman suggests that GPT-5 will connect information similarly to human thought, improving its understanding of context and producing more relevant responses. For instance, if you seek vacation planning advice, GPT-5 could integrate your past preferences, current trends, and weather conditions to offer well-rounded suggestions. It will also excel in strategic analysis and complex problem-solving, making it invaluable for diverse industries by providing logical solutions and tackling intricate challenges that go beyond previous AI models. Multimodal capabilities was its ability to process not just text, but also images, voice, and other forms of media. GPT-5 promises to push this even further by integrating full multimodal capabilities, possibly even incorporating video processing. This enhancement will allow the model to process and analyze various forms of input simultaneously, mimicking the human ability to perceive the world through multiple senses. Competitors like Google's Gemini model have already begun exploring similar functionalities. However, GPT-5's potential edge lies in its integration of these different data types to provide more comprehensive solutions. In industries like healthcare, finance, and education, this could lead to more innovative, AI-driven solutions that have far-reaching implications for professionals and consumers alike. Ultra-realistic video creation. The future of video creation is set to be revolutionized by GPT-5. With its enhanced capabilities, the AI will be able to create ultra-realistic videos where individuals may appear to say or do things they never actually did. It could also redefine fields like computer-generated imagery, CGI, and animation. Filmmakers, game developers, and advertisers will benefit greatly from GPT-5's ability to generate lifelike characters and scenarios at lower costs and with greater efficiency. Enhanced creativity and problem-solving. GPT-5 will not only excel at traditional problem-solving, but will also bring new levels of creativity to the table. This AI will be able to tackle challenges with innovative approaches that aren't immediately apparent to the human mind. For instance, in the corporate world, GPT-5 could provide fresh insights into overcoming unique business challenges or strategizing for success in volatile markets. In addition to its creativity, GPT-5's ability to process and understand complex information will make it a valuable tool in industries that rely on solving intricate problems. Whether assisting with difficult calculations, providing medical insights, or offering data-driven business recommendations, GPT-5's enhanced learning capabilities will allow it to adapt quickly to new information and trends. Larger context windows. A key area where GPT-5 is expected to shine is its ability to handle larger amounts of text through an expanded context window. The current GPT 4.0 model already supports a context window of 128,000 tokens, but GPT-5 is anticipated to go far beyond that. This feature will allow the model to process more extensive text at once, improving its ability to generate accurate and coherent responses to lengthy inputs. With this improved capacity, GPT-5 will be better suited for writing long-form content, summarizing lengthy documents, or engaging in ongoing, contextually aware conversations. This could streamline workflows in journalism, legal industries, and academic research, where handling large volumes of information is often essential. Faster processing and efficiency. Speed and efficiency are crucial aspects of any AI model, and GPT-5 will not disappoint. With faster processing times, users will enjoy smoother, more natural conversations with AI assistants, making them feel as if they are talking to another person in real time. This reduction in latency will be particularly beneficial in customer support, education, and other interactive settings where timely responses are critical. Faster response times will also enhance business operations, enabling professionals to generate content more quickly, obtain insights faster, and make decisions with greater agility. In high-stakes fields like financial trading, where milliseconds can make a massive difference, GPT-5's increased efficiency will have far-reaching impacts. Reducing hallucinations and biases. One of the critical challenges in AI is ensuring the reliability and accuracy of its outputs. GPT-4 already showed improvements in this area, reducing instances of hallucinations, where the model produces incorrect or nonsensical responses. However, GPT-5 aims to further enhance reliability by improving its ability to avoid generating fabricated or misleading information. This improvement is especially crucial in sensitive fields such as medicine, where an incorrect diagnosis or a fabricated response could lead to harmful consequences. With GPT-5, OpenAI is focusing on producing AI outputs that are both reliable and unbiased, leading to safer, more accurate AI systems. With the unveiling of GPT-5, OpenAI is poised to take another giant leap in the development of AI. As we look toward this exciting future, one thing is certain: GPT-5 will push the boundaries of what we thought AI was capable of. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.